Hello and welcome everyone to the exam. This is going to be the ultimate challenge to anyone who wants to know if they are good enough with the Arabic alphabet. The test will be divided into 3 sections. Each section is going to target a certain skill when it comes to the Arabic alphabet. The first section is going to test if you can recognize letters in text. The second is going to test your ability to read words, so it is about pronunciation and reading. And the last section is going to test your ability to write by turning letters into words. So you're going to combine letters into words. The first part of the challenge will give you 20 points. The second part will give you 10 points. And the third part will give you 10 points too. So let's get started with the first part of this test. So now it's time to see how well you recognize the Arabic letters. So for this exercise, I'm going to write down a sentence and I'm going to ask you to find certain letters in this sentence. And we're going to start by sentence number 1. The sentence is ركب أحمد الدراجة وسار في الطريق. Now what you're going to find now is the following letters. You're going to find every letter that is kaf in this sentence, as well as ha, sin, and last ya. Now you should give yourself a couple of minutes. You should pause the video now. I'm going to give you some time. Then I'm going to highlight the answers on the screen and you're going to compare them with your own answers. It is 1 point per correct answer. So the answers are: kaf is found in the following positions. Here, in the word rakaba, is kaf at the beginning of a syllable. We can't attach it to the ra from this side because we can't attach anything to the ra from the left side. Next up is the letter ha. I'm going to give it a green color. And ha is found only once in this instance, and it is found in the word Ahmad. As you can see, it is in the beginning of the syllable. It is basically in the middle of the word, but again, we can't attach anything to the alif from this side. So it has to be used as if it is in the beginning of the word. Next up is sin. I'm going to stick with yellow for the sin. And we also have one sin in this sentence, and it is found here in this word, sar. As you can see, it is in the beginning of the word. Last is ya, and for ya, I'm going to use the magenta, and ya is found 2 times in this instance. It is found in the word fi, the end of the word fi, and in the position of in the middle. But again, it can be attached to the letter before it, so we're using this symbol. So, kaf, ha, sin, ya, and ya. So, 1 point per correct answer. Now, we're going to move to the next sentence. شعر حامد بالحزن عندما سمع الخبر. And the letters that you're going to be looking for in this sentence are Nun, Ain, Mim, Kha, and Alif. You're going to try to find these letters in this above sentence. So you can hit pause now, try to find them, and then continue the video to find out what the answers are and compare them to your own. So the answers are, we're going to start with Nun. We're going to give it the orange color. Nun is found 2 times, found at the end here and is found in the middle of the word عندما. As you can see, that is also nun. Next, the letter عين, the light blue color, and عين came in this sentence in 3 positions. First, it came in the middle here, as you can see, that is the عين. Next, it came in the beginning of the word عندما, that is what it looks like, and it came at the end of the word سمع, as you can see, that is the عين. So it came 3 times. Next up is the meme. I'm giving it the yellow color. And meme came also 3 times. First, it is found here in the word حامد. Next, also found in the word عندما with the same position, same kind of symbol. And it came in the middle here in the word سمع using this symbol. So also 3 times. Next up, with the green color, is خاء. And خاء came only 1 time in the last word, and that is here, as in the middle of the word. Last but not least is alif with the dark blue color. Alif came several times here, specifically 4 times. First, it came here in the middle. Notice we don't attach anything to the left of it. And at the end of the word عندما, and also in the beginning of the word al-khabar. So it came 4 times. So for each one of these letters, you're going to give yourself 1 point if you correctly identified them in the sentence. Next up, we're going to move to the last sentence in this section. Sentence 3. القطار يسير بسرعة فوق القضبان. And the letters that you're going to be looking for in this sentence: لام, قا, يا, را, با, and wow. Now is the time to pause the video, find the letters, and we will be back with the answers. Now, the answers are as follows. Lam, with the magenta color, is found in 2 positions. First, here in the word al-qitar, and here again in al-qudban. With orange, we're going to find the ta, and ta is found only once in the word al-qitar. Using the yellow color, we're going to find the ya letter, and ya came twice in the word yasir, once in the beginning of the word and once in the middle of the word. Using the green color, we're gonna try to find the ra letter, and it came 3 times. First time came in the word al-qitar at the end here, as you can see, and at the end of the word yasir, and in the middle here in the word bisur'a. Next up, using the light blue color to find ba, and ba came only twice at the beginning of the word bisur'a and in the middle of the word al-qudban. Last is wow, using the brown color, and wow came only 1 time in the word fawq. Now, if you could find all 6 letters in the right positions in the sentence, you've earned yourself 6 points. And in total, the section is worth 20 points like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And now we're going to move to section 2, which is reading the words. With reading, I'm going to write 5 words without pronouncing them. You're going to try to do that on your own. Afterwards, I'm going to pronounce the words. You're going to compare what I have said to what you have said, and it is going to be 2 points worth of each correct answer. Now it's time for you to pause the video for some time until you pronounce all the words on your own, and then you're going to listen to my pronunciation and compare mine to yours. Alright, now I'm going to say the words out loud and you're going to pay attention to compare your pronunciation to mine. Word number 1 is Al-Khabar. Al-Khabar. Number 2 is Ahmed. Ahmed. Number 3 is Hazan. Hazan. Number 4 is Kitab. Kitab. Number 5 is Qalam. Qalam. Did you get them right? You're going to have to compare your pronunciation to my pronunciation and give yourself 2 points for each correct answer. Now it's time to go to the last section of this test. The last section is going to be combine letters into words. We're going to see 5 words. Number 1, number 2 is number 3 is going to be number 4. The last word of this section is going to be. Now is the time for you to pause the video now. Try to combine these letters together to form words using the correct position for each letter. Then I'm going to show you the answers on the screen. Alright, so the answers are as follows. First word is Darraja, means a bicycle. Next is Tariq. Next is Qadi. The following word is Hasib. And Hasib means computer. The last word, the longest, is Al-Waraqa. Al-Waraqa means the paper. So these are the 5 words, and this is going to be the last exercise of this challenge. Now, you're going to see for yourself if you have followed the lessons properly and you can use the Arabic alphabet freely and without problems. So if you scored between 30 and 40 points, that's actually very good, and this is going to be sufficient for you to move forward to the coming lessons. And if you scored between 25 to 30 points, this is also not bad, could be better. I'd advise you to go through your notes one more time before you proceed, but it is a pass. But if you have less than 25 points, then this is going to be a poor score because you have lost so many points, and you got to make sure that you got the foundations of the language right, and you have no problems dealing with the alphabet before going through reading lessons, grammar, pronunciation, and many more aspects of the language that require you to be able to recognize words and read them properly. So if you have less than 25 points, you need to go through your notes one more time, go through the first 4 lessons again. I'm going to make one more lesson as a revision before we proceed to the coming stage of our lessons. You can also have a look at that to refresh your memory about the Arabic alphabet. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you've learned something new and you think this is an interesting way to learn the language, like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Good luck everyone, and see you in my coming lessons.